subscribe to our channel.
9 ways to stop snoring. 1. Maintain a healthy body weight. Obesity or excess weight is among the most frequent causes of snoring. Professionals recommend losing up to 10% of your body mass, which will not only help keep you at a healthy weight but also reduce the likelihood of snoring. 2. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Drinking alcoholic beverages, especially before sleep, relaxes the muscles including the tongue, tonsils, and the palate of your mouth, making it much more likely you will snore heavily while sleeping. 3. Avoid cigarettes. Smoking causes eruption and swelling of the upper palates, causing a person who suffers from snoring to do so much more frequently. Stopping or reducing the amount of cigarettes you consume will help treat the recurrence of snoring and improve your overall health. 4. Sleep on your side. When you lay on your back, your tongue and tonsils can fall into your throat, causing a blockage of air causing snoring. It is recommended that you sleep on your side to stop snoring, if you find this is the root of your problem. Adding additional pillows to your back and side will help you maintain a healthy sleep position, allowing air to flow freely through your respiratory system and stop symptoms of snoring. The Home Remedy book produced by the Mayo Clinic recommends placing a tennis ball on the center of the back during the night to make sleeping on your back uncomfortable and promote side sleeping. 5. Gargle with mint. If your snoring is caused by other issues such as colds, flus, or allergies, you can turn to mint to help alleviate the problem. Dilute a few drops of mint extract in a glass of water and gargle for a few seconds before bed. Do not swallow the mixture. You can also substitute mint tea for the mint extract gargle. 6. Coffee. If you keep it to a minimum, drinking a small amount of coffee can help improve your chances of a peaceful sleep free of snoring, although it might affect the level of sleep you receive. Coffee helps slightly relax your pharynx, resulting in less snoring. 7. Aspirate or drink nettle tea. If allergies are the cause of your snoring, begin by making sure your bedroom is allergen and pollen free, as contaminants can complicate the condition. Adding nettle tea to your nightly routine should become a habit. Simply add a few leaves to hot water and let steep a few minutes before consuming. Nettles are natural antihistamine. 8. Nasal hygiene. Exposure to cold air or extended time in an air-conditioned environment can initiate the production of secretions or mucus in the nasal passages that can clog your respiratory system and cause snoring. If you want to tackle this problem, we recommend a nasal cleanser made of saline solution, preferably before sleeping. 9. Avoid food irritants. Eating heavy foods before bed, such as lactose products, wheats, sugars and fats, can act as irritants and cause reflux, which irritates nasal passages and the pharynx, causing you to snore. Be aware of the causes of your snoring before you try different routines to address the problem. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.